what do I tell people, or what do I think that people should do to excel at, like, business? You were saying business, personal. So, like, for me, this thing that I came out of, while process is important and touch points and all these things that they talk about and are very important. And I think you got to sit down and really look at your business and figure out your marketing schedule and all that stuff. But the end result ends up being the people angle of it, and that is no matter what you do, if you make the people feel special, they'll remember that. So, like, one of the things we were talking about was being inclusive of all five senses, right? Which makes my job a little difficult because I don't think at any point in marketing, especially online, we'll be able to induce the sense of smell. So I'm already working behind the eight ball, because if you think about the greatest experiences in your life and the worst experiences of your life, they probably all had huge impacts on all five of your senses at the same time, right?
Yeah.
So very, very loud music in a place that smells like shit, and music that you don't like is probably going to be a negative experience, whereas your girlfriend's perfume that you like while you're sitting next to her at a restaurant where the food's cooking and you smell the steak and you're drinking the best beer, you've invoked all the senses in a positive way, and so therefore that's going to be an emotional experience you'll remember for a long time. It stays with you. And so when you make people feel like that because of how you treat them, they're always going to remember that and come back.